going to unbox my Boeing 787 of Qantas. This is actually a scale 1/400 and it's old livery. To be honest, this video is first on YouTube. Now let's go over to the box. So in the front we have Qantas, the logo and the name of the plane in the scale, which is 1/400. It's written as well collector's edition, and it's also given as Qantas 787-500, which is this is the place to open the box. But before that, even this side with the Dreamliner, Qantas and the scale, on the other side it's the same like the other side. There is no other way to open this box, so we have to go for this open button here. I mean, not a button, it's actually magnetic, so we carefully open it. It's also written here Dreamliner. Now here's the stand. This is actually black in color, and the instructions for the plane and for the card here. Unfortunately, I did not get any card, but it's fine. And finally guys, here's the model of our Boeing 787. This is my very first Boeing 787 model. Now the reason why I told you this is an old livery is because it is slightly golden here. See, you can see over here, as well as the font, because when the orange livery is the gold livery is there, the font is like this. So on the box there's, let's just check if any parts. Double-sided tape is not required. So the box is clear. Let's go over through the model. So at the start is the cockpit. You see it's almost shaped like a Boeing 787 model, and there are 6 doors. The engines, they look quite nice. Unfortunately, the engines don't spin. Well, it's fine. The wings are curved upwards like a normal 787, but the tail is very different. As you can see, it looks nice, and I feel like it's something like a modern type of plane. Even the stabilizers look quite a modern type of plane. Very nice, right? Same thing on the other side, and there's Boeing 787 Dreamliner written at the end. Yeah, there it is, with the Australian flag. The wing is very detailed with the flaps, same with the stabilizers. According to the instructions, the card goes on the stand right here, and there's the stand for the plane. So here's the stand, let's open it. Now all we have to do is just put this on. This stand is also fit for a Dragon Wings model. Like, there are images of Dragon Wings model, and well as the stand. The stand I showed you in my Qantas video, it's actually used for my Dragon Wings of Emirates. The stand goes right here. So let's fix the stand. Be careful, okay? Okay guys, so here's our model. Looks nice, right? Even on the stand. But actually the stand does not fit because it's a circular way. So in my opinion, we should use a Gemini jet stand. It looks better on that. We can use the stand for another Dragon Wings model. I hope you like this model guys. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And please comment on my videos if you wish to. So okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.